Hi art lovers. So right here I've just applied my white base, and I did that because I had a very mucky old canvas that I've put another painting on and scraped it off, and it was pretty ugly, so I thought I'd put the white base coat on first. Now I really loved the way in my last artwork how I had a bit of a marble effect in my base, so I'm going to do that again here. So I'll spread that out with my palette knife. Oh, lovely. Oh, there's my puppy. Playing with my other dog. Well, they're both puppies, really. Okay, that's pretty good. I like that. I'm going to do 3 Dutch blooms, and then I'm going to see what happens if I spin it out afterwards. Plan number 1 is manganese blue, manganese phthalo blue. Followed by yellow gold. I haven't used this colour for ages, but it's such a nice colour. I really like it. It's been a really long time since I've used it. And this is primary magenta. And some gold. Now the gold, I think the gold has a little bit of Floetrol in it because it's left over. And then this is permanent blue violet, which is I'm going to use as my surrounding colour. And permanent blue violet looks really nice against white. So that's like my flood colour there. So the next step will be to blow each of the blooms out a bit. I might do this one first. that's really pretty, very pretty. I don't think I need to do it here. Okay, that's pretty good. I really like the shape of this petal here. It's a bit better. A bit more rounded. And that one. And that one, so that's good. All right, well that's beautiful. So now the plan is I want to spin it out and make them fall off the edge and grow in size. So we'll have a spin and fingers crossed it all, and I don't mind if they touch each other, but I still want there to be negative space. Everything's out of the way, let's go. Absolutely superb. Lost my gold. Well, there's gold over here. I'm wondering, the shapes here are really off, this bit here. Very off indeed. Really need to happy with how this has turned out. I've never done anything like this before. So definitely inspired with the botanical element, definitely inspired by Rinska, no doubt about that. Very deconstructed blooms. Some people might even call them flowers. You could name them, definitely name it other things. Now I'll just touch up my sides and I'll bring you down for the finished result.